abusunya me chaba General Fire TV so. O hwe General Fire TV o Facebook live a. And there ye nya bre pa. No so ma share face the country for che ya na me nya bre papa. Ni bra bagana. Asa be kase o Ghana. E mo nya se kase bia so sa. E tase bebre. Bet. And then no ye be din ko kakra. Tu ba ha. Twi waso ben me pa na follow page no. Na yeden share life no mayen na ye ndi nkomo kakra entinam say eya sem kase entino ye boy national anthem ndi kan e boy national anthem ni wi a lijuma di na transfer fefe na e bia ye fe enti ifa enze ye mpendifo na awu ntino ye boy national anthem ni transfer na afi de ndi juma no why enti ye boy national anthem ni atwaso ye di for 1 second. Abusunya ya te national anthem na wie no ya ko jujuma de no so oba na wa share life no mame na wa follow platform no share ni ko akra enura 6th of July na program bi e koso wo obo ase wo hwe sticker ya deda so ya launching of the responsible cooperative mining and skills development program na nipa oye special guest of honor John Dramani Mahama nura na ye papa John Dramani Mahama ye say ontimi enko entino defense minister any environmental minister enko si na namu no mko di program no na yoba ye we so a government confirms defense minister Omane Boama, environment minister Mutara Mohammed, and 6 others have died from the helicopter crash at Adanse. When I'm saying you common, Mahama was the target, and yet these ministers, Mahama was the target of this incident, and yet defense minister. And that's what Mama Kano. Now I'll show you a lot of videos, any eyewitness. Nyamoka fahu na watie. Sa helicopter na omko furu ya omko bo ho ewu ye no. Na ka mama na ka ekọ furu akọ program no. No say na sorry for ye program bo Cape Coast enti ontimi enko. Obeka ya Ghana obi bia opese o try Ghana ye bia no. Na epese ye yin de firi ho. Ye kunu ye say no. Tie nyina ye papa Kwame Nkrumah FSC several assassination. Obekai Kwame Nkrumah eko Burkina Faso oba back to Ghana no and they say go shia no ye de akwa kete e de bomb shia ni say on fan koma Mahama on fan so no Kwame Nkrumah na bra odu Kwame Nkrumah ni mu no ne bodyguard Samuel editor te bomb no no bomb Kwame Nkrumah hwe fam bomb no blast yes akola no. I have that video one that I'll show you. Enti asem we see no enye ministers no John Dramani Mahama na so what din and he was the target. Eturu ntie so John man twen won free kofo bi no ho na won serious social for military no mu a Mahama what mean the president no kopim this year ending da ebekunu memo share a lot of videos on there ma catch back on there very important. Mahama must be very vigilant. Akufo-Addo eka kire say he will never hand over power to John Dramani Mahama again. They don't want Mahama to become a president again. So they are trying all means to make sure they take out his life. That's the plan of the NDC right now. That's the plan of the NDC right now. Okay, a black Mahama really power and pet. No, so that be on for Ghana presidential jet in 2 coin. Obviously, you bring Mahama jet. Any people bobu fu ye. Na yen ti ase for you to come. Yen ti na mo fu. Cause ne bra private jet no. Enka on tu aka. To common aviation fu na gum. No da ko to go Burkina Faso ko die Ibrahim Traoré ase. Yen ti ase fa Ghana we 2 coin. Ese yen ti ase. Enu achi Mahama called Jubilee House. Yes, I take cameras, 500 Jubilee House, including the washroom. Cameras go for the administration. I'm going to detect camera 500. They want to take off President Mahama, like they did to Nkrumah, our father. Nami odo Mahama kuma pantino. Bibi cross no. One timi anko program no so the ministers. And no any Mahama and this Mahama. Anti-man could be hambre, can man penny forward and a da for me. Mamma da from Cabra, walk a gun and Kagana who may cast or Mama or Mama would Mamma better say one more. Because Mama would Mamma better say one more. And now, me Mamma for Yako, Amosha Dane. But Mahama was the target and not the ministers. The gods of our land saved the president because he was going to do some activities at Cape Coast. No, man, the ministers of Munko. But no, I show no, now I like it. But what I do, so now, mammy, I command be like mammy. The panel time we just a motion, mammy, and moon also. I can't match a I'll show you a lot of videos and eyewitness. But I mean, see, you know, now I'm sending a message about my Ghana military. I want to send some message to Ghana military. Mahama was the target and not Manebuama and not environmental minister. Mahama was the target because Mahama neka was guest of Hannah in the program national. Mahama was the guest of Anna. Program nase. Bibi nti wanti man ko ene say man peni ne nkwada so kitani. Minka so oche omo mawu no. Te hwe video we. E bra asem ni see ye no. Hwe video we. Amenkere wade. A video by me.
Thank you very much. Let's remain seated. Indeed, you are being urged to resist the oppressor's rule. The oppressor this morning, for which reason we have gathered here, is illegal mining, and that is why, under the auspices of the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, we are here to launch the Responsible Cooperative Mining and Skills Development Program. By way of emphasis, it is on record that we have a total of about
program na go konini. Na Ashanti Region Minister Honorable Dr. Frank Amakohene, the best minister so far in the Mahama administration. He was there, live, waiting for the president, and also number. The Land and Natural Resource Minister, Kofi Amabu was no on to one. So we have program na say he come to one bana be boho. Tini mo kwa hye no. Tina you go so no kre. Na me meche wade bi. Na hwa de hwe video we so. I want to show you some videos. Na makati me akire. Hwe video we ba me. The video ba me.
Plane the chum. Manual food. The chum man from plane now from there. But the new answer, material grind. To material grind, I'm saying, I feel they are buffet. But to me, jam it, Jimmy, you know, I said, I don't toy. To me, when I'm following the most, I'm coin. To me, coin, so plain or a ball. I say, any power, one woman in our side. I see, or be anywhere. It's Miss Ababo, me, I see. Play me, I say, crash. I see, let me ask any papa trade here. Papa trade here. But I couldn't do only say any penny. But a mama can do it. Mama can do it. Mama can do it. But I couldn't do only say any penny. I look around and then I can't say, Anna. When you say, now don't say. oda ho ma ma ka ne de jana ye no hu ni se o yo ba o so ye be ma o sare de na nya shi wa na na ko na nya shi entoto anya shi tebe chemu na me ya so se bia e bona na asiniti we hunu ekwan ni ana ode ko bo eduani mu a e ma accident bi si yo
metro videos be 4 aka ho na ma che wade bi ne hwe ye nipa metro video be 4 aka ho enim helicopter bi e beto Ghana me majmu aviation pen me Ghana me boni kroso me Ghana majmu aviation pen helicopter and a premier betu from one place to another biano. There is a track. Tell me what you him. Helicopter and a premier betu biano. You're tracking. Say a number you call a tracking. Say I could do. Say you could do. You're tracking. I didn't in a plane to a free Accra. Say a call was 45 minutes journey. The news came out first. Say the helicopter has been missing. For some hours. I think I say I crash it. Why were they not tracking the helicopter? Akufado ep sisa nkofofo be go military no mu say beam. No free power. The enemy is within us, and they want to take out Mahama because he was the one who was invited as a guest of honor to the program. So they know Mahama is the one who was going. So it was a setup to take out our president, because the group of some people in Ghana, those who try every possible means to take out our president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, they are still there. And they want to take out our president, John Dramani Mahama. So it was a plan work. The pilot came from abroad yesterday. Pilot now, Sam helicopter nekono. Okwa abrochire temi okwa abrochire no ni Ghana. Eso okoye advanced pilot training o abrochire. So wagosuya even say helicopter no twa abrochire no ba Ghana. Obi wagosuya dia ba Ghana. The first you go to no odakobo ho no. There were so many pilots in Ghana. I want to play ko ba de bibia. The intern no ko abrochire ba so ono tinchira twa one na de beko. One at Beko. It was a plan work to take out our president. Mama should be very, very careful. Mama should do. Mama should be very, very careful. Mama not careful. This year end to know. You be never so. I'll show you the videos. The video not chief of staff. I confirm on there for no. And I will show you the videos of the incident. Now trust so. Why? Shall we name
involving the crash of a military helicopter this morning around the Adansi area in Ashanti region. Government regrets to announce the demise of the following persons in the tragic crash. Dr. Edward Kofi Omane-Boamah, Minister for Defense. Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Murtala Muhammad, MP, Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Lemonad, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator and former Minister for Food and Agriculture. Dr. Samuel Sapo, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress. And Mr. Samuel Abuaji, a former parliamentary candidate. Squadron Leader Peter Bafemi Anala, Flying Officer Manin Chum Ampedu, and Sergeant N.S. Ado Mensah. The President and government extends our condolences and sympathies to the families of our comrades and the servicemen who died in service to the country. All flags are to fly at half-mast until further notice. Thank you.
Wait, Chief of Staff for the NDC government, Julius Debra, when they confirm me on what definitely I say no correct. Phoebe and you. She quite fast we no, and come fast so a share no. I mean, what they be. Now, metro what they be. Market match one day. Not two with him. Second, ni. Not an anti-gun. She was 1 million. po. Okay, bla emotion in here. Hwe mami. I will hope hwe. Una kuma menhwe. Una kuma menhwe we. Na mabechire we una kuma don't watch it at all. Una kuma just put your phone aside. When you're using anything that you're using to watch me, you know. If you don't have unza kuma na fatu aside menhwe for just 1 minute pay. Na mabechire one na emotion no. One na jane show mo. One na be hu se nipa na ehye ni pa ehye da ho no no. Una kuma menhwe we besrew cause I will ho menhwe una kuma menhwe. Enko.
Mi video we no da. Mi video ba de jani jamu nyina ye dipa na ye sha. Da.
Sarebi.
Mi video we no da. Mi video ba de jani jamu nyina ye dipa na ye sha. Da.
Wahun, this the video blah helicopter no bo hono no emotion no. First one, the Ghana forces was supposed to track the helicopter, but I found two cabinet ministers, Minister of the Defense, Minister Okomande CDS, who is the Chief of the Defense Staff, CDF. Ghana military now. On the door munyina no, or if any CDF, Chief of Defense Staff, and the Defense Minister. Our commander one no command military no until we Ghana we John Mahama our the commander of the Ghana forces now who is next is Dr. Omana Champion wo no until some Mahama ni wa no command military no o two kwan not mo fati two kwan ya monthma antrack no se fati abo ho immediately monthma anko ho fati no ko bo ho omunyina hye wie kran se na omudi petimi ko akohu se oma hye wie so they know say Mahama will be in. They know say Mahama will be in. Let me put this picture here. Wait. Yes. They mama will in the 18 in. They know say Mahama will be in. Enti ye ni embo no hwinwie grebe say bia yeti to go president ko Mahama no survive because the president to konya or Modi money sini so na okoba ye wo American president kata fo o sa UAE wo hu onam wie mu no na okuta escort private jet fighter jet escort be 3 nche omode President Trump free America ba kata omode ko Dubai na fighter jet edidi nechi they were tracking the man sazana man peni bia tie secondly sa helicopter na mo tu kwan no sa helicopter no kwan kuma penso ne toye enye munu wo ho papa wo ho da bi e fa no afa mama nko ko ne pese de Mahama eyi mama mfiri ho no eyi ni firi ho no yakopon anum mama akoma pa anyepa wo mani man Ghana nti o se da bi I can't take Mahama's life even though mama kra ne bonye de ncho mama wu no so yankopon se mama tena se ne pese se me do ye dwuma Ghana don't go na mama da anko she last video ma chiro wi this is the last video ma be chiro na me ka se me chiro she last video me ka se me chiro the video this is the painful part of the story the painful part of the story when they come up when they me yano when they me yano she video me ka se me chiro Osia on video Jabusia Amunie share hande the most important part no. When we say the military personnel was there, Oba we are here. We are seeing a military more and a police more. Let's do this. So ordinarily nipa bi kompo wu a. What you mean kan? So ordinarily nipa bi kompo wu a. No, what happened? Am I alive? What you mean kan? Something just crossed up. What you mean kan? Yeah, you're alive. You're alive. You're alive. Am I alive? I say many technical issues. Am I alive? Okay. Yes, me alive. Every time what you mean can? What you mean can? I say be across me. What you mean can? Yeah. We are alive. Yeah, we are alive. Thank you very much. We are alive. Onipa wu a, there was zip bag bia. Yes, omugum. The police will be. The military will be. As the nipa bi wu a, omo hye kwase mpo a. Yes, some no pegu ni atum. Then the omo aba. Ebi aso do omo ko. The military went there. They didn't go with that bag. Ekuyafo a omo na mama fom no, na omo nipa go ko botomu. Video na nkasa me video no. She omo do mugu ko botomu. Defense minister of the state. Nipa commanding military no. Any environmental minister, 2 cabinet minister, any other valuable Ghanaians. E do mugu ko botomu he na so nipa. Koko botomu do gun so nipa. E de enkwasi asem so no. Ghana mi. E de ensemfon no. So 1% ka mama say mama ka ho am the president of the Republic of Ghana no owu ye ne go ko botomu na nugu ye because the military was there. They try say after some shiwi no ko honum o man come with that bag na edi nipa funu gumu no etum no sa zip bag na etum we o ka black ko na buy no mo so we dey to near etum kama de ko they kept it in their camp etu different helicopter ko honum with that bag. They think Mama will be involved. Then Mama go bottom. Then Mama go bottom the coffee. That's what they wanted to do. Ghana police echo honum. To the whole helicopter honum. Yeah, police and free and dance honum. Yeah, military. Uncle Sandy area say nobody should go there. Nobody should go there. No, Omako Sandy area honum. At the proper from the same military and a police. I call yourself no. I call yourself body no. A mama nipa kumo for a fumu for. No mudu kokobo to no mudu buguye. That's the stupidity of the Ghana army, because it was planned to take out our president's life. We don't have much evidence, but from the crime scene and from deliberate actions, you know, that's what they meant to do. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Sam kwasi ade no. Etu for wuntie. Wan kasa government mu no. Ye reshuffle wom. If not, your life is at risk. John Mahama. Ye tutu for so wuntie. Me say MPP abana o ma bana mo position no. Enyo makoma mu o. O man na nwen say any siba Mahama better ba president da. Akufo ka say I will never give power to John Dramani Mahama. So they will try all means to take out your life as they did to Kwame Nkrumah. Akufo do papa ene nanom ene yi Kwame Nkrumah free wonom. To baka ya tamiz etwesika e de Kwame Nkrumah picture so Akufo came to government and take out that two cities. Because Kwame Nkrumah your enemy. And Mahama is taking Kwame Nkrumah ideology to rule Ghana, and they hate it. So they will never like John Dramani Mahama. MPP Akufo Dankwa Buzia Asifo. They will never like John Dramani Mahama. Oh no, they are more cameras. Friends Jubilee House. How many cameras? 500 cameras in the Jubilee House. I come to feel no more. I did no more. Mama ba power. No, do no one private jet to Kwanko for so. I didn't so Akufo the power no private jet. No board ding 20,000 euros per hour. 200,000 euros per hour to Kwanko ba. na wo dwale wom ole se wa bro ni no dwale wom don ma baaye onu ane bla private jet e de ko Burkina Faso ye ntia se fa Ghana de no ko they know what they do to Ghana de no fa ko ne ko wu Mahama nti won dwen unum nyansa won dwen wajimi Mahama wo ya aboa wo baaye na wo bla to ka won ma wo obra to ka won ma se de ntia se da ko twi Ghana for ka na sisi wono omnu da ye cast no omalu su ka ties no omo de ye hye ka na ties mu na obra da bida min ma koku fuado min ne baba pa no mu don't take the car no emergency wono mu no ma ye check car na zanzam je car mu no ne bra to ka chair no fa ko tamen ke yiwo free ho. This goes to the President John Dramani Mahama. We love him and we need him alive. Na bi no wo team no so na o de be den o be wuri o man Ghana ma yen enti me de o ma wu ni de o mo ko media so rest in peace ye ma o busa fo e den o mo ko ka ye ti ase se boy ho ban o mo so me ba be yo mu video enwumre catch me that for enwumre o mo wu ye no more special message for them also eni aban na nkasa mu we dey Mahama de ya hwe so yiye efri MPP wo na ro mu di ago no ho hwe so yiye efri asofo no mu bi ho hwe so yiye efri ahenfo no bi ho hwe so yiye efri wan kasa party before no especially the military nana ko fodo e pale omu guma so free power military no o so mu guma kasa na omu nim so omo na ben wo omo tan we mi asa o meku atu na o ko na koko wu ya eku na bi no no akọ na koko wu ya eku na bi no there's no president o ma you free wo no mo mpew Professor Jena na boko Jiman oyale wa nzo oyale ma mi oyale o ti mi kwa kasa bi oyale so you are the target. Mama, take care. I know I will protect you, but protect yourself first. I know I will protect you, but protect yourself first. You are the best person to protect yourself from this. Also, you're overhauling our military no. And I'm watching your commenting. Nana Dani, or say I am MPP man, but I think Mama should be very wise and smart. So what's here? Although MPP ni, but you're very wise and smart. They will take you off. I'm going to come and come. Okobokina na oba no mo bomb ko share ni nsem. Dan kwa busha fon dan kwa. Amuchi kwa nkroma. Kono so Ghana yie. Most so Ghana yie. They will try all the means to take you down. But I will protect you. And the gods of the land will protect you. But you need to protect yourself first. His Excellency. We love you and we need you alive. You are our president. You have the ideas. Just implement the ideas and you managana for one to nobody now ye ni pe ye fe debi wa wachi ya betre no wo kwante wa tie ye ya be ka wonim enti Mahama me de maba message you me be ye ma wo titiru se hwe so ye the target was you and the gods of our land, the God that you serve and the my gods, they save you, but next time uko bebia unua be mama private ne fakọ from Neko Mahama waso din se kawuro waso din from there no uko bebia fa unua be mama private ne ko unua to gu na fakọ unwu sa helicopter na mutu kwa no helicopter omo to no kwa no kuma penso asai aye week mo ba ma tiska ko to vieti ko bebrebe ngwa mo ni sa mo tu kwa ko bia mo nya helicopter mo ba ma ko to vignette mo sa kwan mo ko to vignette bebrebe convoy ba bo nya helicopter bebi bo nya helicopter and then your modern helicopter $150,000 mo ko to car bulletproof na mo nam mo to helicopter obebi kwa hwe ye ni helicopter eye fire attendants for anka datum ko bako dum da no fineko anywhere you go make sure you go with your brother private jet. Everywhere you go with your brother private. Me say Ghana private jet was aro ho ne okofo ayi do mo esi wo no ho. You have no idea munya wo meti uti afiri wo MPP akufo ado ba omia kekele Japan afanyo makin bla champion. They never thought you became a president again. See, they are in pains and they lose with 38%, with micro minority 88. So they are in pains. They are in deep pains. And NDC power ni forever done. They take behind this position that close, but protect yourself, and I will protect you. Abusia, within the January page in January Fire TV, YouTube January TV. Mesro, we are YouTube. Na subscribe channel no YouTube. January TV. Facebook January Fire TV na option. TikTok January TV. Follow all the platforms. Area my feel be area. My part 2. My chamo part 2 of this story. We the mama koko. Me maniti kwa, and we are mourning. The whole nation we are mourning. The flags are down. Flag be out down. 3 days. Man pena declare 3 days holidays in Ghana. Ya mourning or more any all the flags are down. Cause I will watch Ghana. So this afternoon, catch me live. My better DB. No matter they see Ghana last nanu year twem. No matter to watch what idea. Yeah, chicho manya yen fashe ho. See, me mother say mo come home for the past 30 minutes when money me dey dwuma. Na money me ye. See we dem mama say, mama hwe no wuye. Yes so you born no ban. Military no mu no, akufo do pack the people go military no mu. Cause omo na omo to my cool. To dey so the people go military no mu a. They are there for Mahama. Na mama keke o many keke se mama keke o many keke because o de na kufu do de o wunsuru ahwe kohwe hwe de wa o de cameras e bo France for so bad o juzo kwa ye hwe obe ma o we record ye hwe ye ho so no we Jubilee House so the military no o mo de gumu say o ya muntunu na woni mu ase so o man to a they will try all means to bring you down. Obi come party to about to MBP party no omo ye dangerous. See how they killed their OMP in I confirm Tamale. Their OMP don't come I confirm omo ku no. Yeah. Medra party, I would do for party. I check a cap some more I check my book off one. I go for attack down kwa busia for no. Go munko sama frɛ ko busa kwa nkono mo de kwa nkroma. Do maybe kwa no should I give up and leave my country? No, I can never give up on my country in Africa. I'll fight till the last drop of my blood. I know what I'm saying. I'm a messenger and a freedom fighter. I will protect a government who is working on the best interest of Ghanaians. But if you are fooling, I'll let you know. Mahama tutoro bia ujimi kakra. Senyansa akonya what be pen na wasaba. Ko wo de ka bia ko so gana ya wo. Unim ye na bo betima ye. Ha for jimi ntu nchan. Na ye dwuma ni yie. Busua makraw. Nwumre. Ma wache wade bi. E bia acha be 5 hours time na 6 hours time. It's not about life be. I will show you something. Makraw na me ka ho. Bye bye.